Okay, here is a project I just finished up. It is a 1973 Noma Grand Prix Snowblower with an 8 horsepower Tecumseh engine. Had a good spark when I got it, good compression as well, so I knew the engine was good, as it would be with a Tecumseh. So, things I did to it: new spark plug, obviously, new plug wires, all new fuel lines, new primer line, cleaned out and rebuilt the carburetor. Didn't do a full carb replacement on it because the parts were okay, so just rebuilt the carb. Cleaned up the clutch plate and tightened it or adjusted it. The forward drive was a little bit weak, especially in the higher speeds, so could tighten that up. New belts. Took all the pulleys off, shined the pulleys up, reseated all those, resealed one leaky tire, and oil change, obviously. Took the block apart, checked the pistons, cleaned the pistons. I also fogged the top end with seafoam spray, and obviously ran some seafoam through the oil to clean out the lower end. Starts really well now, starts first pull, also idles right down to low. Yeah, it's all done.